Hi Daniela, how are you today?
Hello, Sirene. I am very good. And you?
I'm fine. I have a question for you.
Tell me.
Do you regret something?
Yes, of course. If only I had saved money, I wouldn't have had to borrow money. And you? Do you regret something?
Oh, yes. If only I had paid attention to the math teacher's explanations, I would not have burned the exam.
Oh, so bad. Really so bad. But could you tell me if you have any wish?
Well, I wish I had enough money to live well, have my own house, a car, and be able to travel to other countries and learn about other cultures. And you?
Your wish? Really interesting. Really interesting. Yes, if I could have three wishes, they would be to be more rich, is the first, and to be able to fly, and three more wishes, because I love fly. It's a unique sensation, and when I have money, the life is more easy for me.
Oh, it's fantastic.
Yes, I really like. But that's right. We will take later. Sirene.
Okay, see
Bye.
you later. Bye.